Hello student, welcome to science class. We have already discussed about small intestine and large intestine. The main objectives of today's topic are digestive gland, salivary gland, liver, pancreas. Introduction. Associated with the alimentary canal are certain glands which secrete some enzymes that help in digestion of food. These glands are called digestive glands. First is salivary gland. In this picture, you can see salivary gland that secretes saliva. Second is liver. In this picture, you can see liver. Liver is the largest gland of the body that secretes bile juice. Third is pancreas. In this picture, you can see pancreas. Pancreas secrete pancreatic juice. Let's start the discussion of each gland in detail. First is salivary gland. The salivary glands are exocrine glands. It means glands with ducts that produce saliva and pour their secretion in the oral cavity. There are three types of salivary gland: parotid, submandibular, sublingual. Now let's discuss all the types of salivary gland in detail. First is parotid gland. Parotid glands are the largest salivary glands, one present below and in front of each ear pinna. Second is submaxillary gland. Submaxillary glands are located on the inner side of lower jaw, one on either side. Third is sublingual gland. Sublingual glands are present below the tongue. In this picture, you can see parotid gland, sublingual and submandibular gland. What are the functions of saliva? It keeps the mouth moist. It aids in swallowing. It aids in speech. Keeps the mouth and teeth clean. Antimicrobial action. Digestive function. Bicarbonate act as buffer. Now come to the page number 51. Let's start the reading of this topic. Excess amount of glucose is converted into glycogen and is stored in the liver. The fats as such are stored in the adipose tissue. Excess of these amino acids are used for building protoplasm. The amino acids are broken into ammonia. Excess of these highly toxic ammonia gets converted into less toxic urea in the liver. Urea is excreted through kidneys. There are some disorders in the process of digestion developed due to irregular food habits, like taking stale, spicy, oily, and overcooked food. Improper chewing of food is also harmful for the system. It may cause constipation, ulcers. All these disorders can be avoided by eating simple food constituting lot of vegetables and fruits along with regular and proper food habits. Second is liver. The liver is a soft reddish brown triangular organ with 4 lobes. A human liver weighs between 1.44 and 1.66 kg. In this picture you can see liver is the largest organ of the body. It secretes bile juice, and bile juice is stored in gallbladder. It is released into the duodenum as and when required. Bile juice. Bile is a bitter tasting dark green to yellowish brown fluid produced by the liver. It is stored in the gallbladder and upon eating is discharged into the duodenum. The principal function of the gallbladder is to serve as a storage reservoir for bile. The main components of bile are water, bile salt, bile pigments and cholesterol. Bile salts act as emulsify agents in the digestion and absorption of fats. Cholesterol and bile pigments from the breakdown of hemoglobin are excreted from the body in the bile. Next is pancreas. Pancreas is a gland that is partly exocrine and partly endocrine. The exocrine part secretes the digestive pancreatic juice, and the endocrine part secretes hormones, example insulin. It is soft, lobulated and elongated organ. In this picture you can see pancreas is soft, lobulated and elongated organ, and this organ secrete pancreatic juice. Next is pancreatic juice. It is alkaline and has the highest digesting power. About 1 to 1.5 liter of pancreatic juice of pH 8 to 8.3 is secreted per day. It is watery. Now come to the page number 52. Let's start the reading of this topic. Functions of bile. The food coming from the stomach is acidic. Bile changes it into alkaline medium by the action of pancreatic enzymes and the salts present in the bile. It contains salts which help to emulsify fats, that is, break down large globules of fats into small globules, thereby increasing the efficiency of enzyme action. Pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice made in the pancreas. It contains the following enzyme: trypsin for digesting proteins, lipase for breaking down emulsified fats. Intestinal juice or succus entericus. It is alkaline and activates the protein digestive enzyme. The ileum. The digestive processes of the duodenum continue for a long time in the ileum. The wall of ileum produces intestinal juice or succus entericus, which has three types of enzyme, that is carbohydrases, proteases and lipases. These enzymes complete the digestion of the food. Starch convert into sugar under the action of pancreatic amylase. Proteases convert proteins into peptides and amino acids. Lipases convert fats into fatty acid and glycerol. Peptidases converts peptides into amino acids. Maltase convert maltose into glucose. Absorbed food is utilized for obtaining energy, building up new tissues and repair of old tissues. It means all complex form of food are converted into simple form under the action of different enzymes. And I hope you have understood this topic. Now you must be able to solve the following questions. First is name the largest gland of the body. Name the different digestive glands present in the human body. Name the secretion they secrete. Draw the diagram of the digestive system of man and label it. So we have completed the discussion of this topic. Now we will continue in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.